Well, Allison, Allison doesn't use assistive technology, and I wanted to ask you why you even wanted to participate in the web testers program and learn all this stuff when it doesn't affect you as a user.
Well, it doesn't affect me personally, or right now it doesn't. You know, it may tomorrow. You know, you never know.
Yeah.
I do work with the website at my company, and so it was something that was interesting to me. It's the right thing to do. It's good web design. You know, accessible websites have good code. Their search engine can find your information. So just from even a non-accessible standpoint, it's good for you to do. And when you have an accessible website, you know that you're open and free and available for everybody to have access to your information.
Allison was wonderful. When we started to do our reports, and I got to the point that we were writing up things for state agency representatives that might not understand the real technical terms, I thought, well, I need some help writing reports, and Allison and Grace and Clay were a tremendous support to me and to the other people writing the reports. But Tina was the recipient of those reports, so would you tell us a little bit how you use those reports to actually affect an outcome?
I can tell you what our plan is, and right now the plan is in place, and hopefully we'll get the outcomes that I'm expecting. But based on the reports, which were very well constructed, we got some good analysis of what was right with the web pages as well as what was wrong with the web pages. We've published that report on our intranet, and we're making it available to our not our web testers, but our web designers internally, so that they can study the pages, relate to what you guys have had problems with, and hopefully make some significant changes so that in the next year or two, or whatever that time frame might be, we'll be able to overcome a lot of the header issues, the navigation issues that were identified for us through the Web Testers program.
And so you're going to use that document as a training tool, because we had a lot of examples.
It will be a resource for our designers to go through, look at the pages that were identified. The problems that we've identified on the 7 pages that were tested are going to be the same problems that we'll see in all the other pages too. They're pretty consistent and probably fairly common with what you guys see with navigation issues. But we have it in a report. It documents the problem. Real people have provided the report as opposed to us running it through some software tool that comes back and says, yes, you've got 6 click here's on the page that need to be identified. You can feel the frustration in the report, and that's what I like about it. It brings a human touch, the human side of the problem.